All right, you notice how if you go forward and left, it's one thing, but if you go backward and left, it does something else. Do you notice? So it's important to see that when you're driving the car. If I go forward, let's say forward and right now, that does something. But if I go backward and right, it does something else. Okay?
That's an energetic car.
Yeah, it's very
Bad job.
taking out the camera. All right, so try to reach me. I'm right here. So you're going to go back. Now you're going the wrong way. See that? Forward. There you go. Now that's right. And now you can go forward and turn it the other way, right? It's counterintuitive. So I could just back out here easily now, like that. Oh no, initial D. There, you're getting it. Back. Steering the wrong way. Go back and steer. Is it right? There you go. Now steer back. Make sure you're going the correct. Oh, you're going to go right through the bottom of the car. Nice, nicely done. You went right through. Right under the other car. That was cool.
Yeah.
Oh.